starting today off in the car again. It's literally 2 o'clock. I said I was gonna make this longer video today, but like always, like you're probably gonna pick up with me, I was freaking tired this morning and had no clue what I wanted to talk about. So video isn't starting until right now. But yeah, it's about 2 o'clock. We're pulling up to the gym right now. It's deadlift day. So you already know it's for me coming off of like a little bit of an injury. It's gonna be intriguing, I'll say the least. Some days I feel good with this like injury healing. Some days I just feel terrible. So we're about to find out. I think it's gonna be a decent day, knock on wood. Just because I feel like the injury is getting better, everything's getting better. I got some SSB squats, and it's a single. It says 584 to 600, so you already know who doesn't take the top end. Like 584 and 600 is basically the same weight, so we're probably gonna go 600. Yeah, I mean, well, hopefully it moves good, man. I'm really kind of nervous, to be honest, because like this injury's just been like on and off kind of, but it's been off for a little bit now, so I'm hoping that we're near the end of it. Yeah, so just one by one there, then we just got some back downs. I'll record the whole thing, and then I'll update you guys through the process, how I'm feeling and stuff. As of now, I've stretched a ton, so I should feel pretty good. I feel pretty good right now, but when I get lifting is the only way I'll actually be able to tell. We got a whole bunch of guys here at the gym right now, so it should be a hype crew, should be a hype lift. Probably gonna do the same thing that I did for the video yesterday that isn't even posted yet. Just put music over it because can't demonetize. But yeah, all right, so we're here. Let's get it. Ooh. Football, NCAA 25, getting beat 50-0 right now by Brock. It's been a little while since the gym. I've already eaten and stuff, so I'll update you guys in a minute. All right, so let's talk about my deadlift, right? I'm actually pretty happy with it. I'd say I have more mixed feelings on it than anything else, really, because so that 595 flew, but it's still kind of slow off the floor, and I'm noticing that's like what my injury's hurting the most is it's just like the speed off the floor, right? I picked up some great cues, though, looking back on some old videos, some old just stuff that I'd written down for myself pretty much, so I could look back at it and be like, oh, I did this, right? Things that I used to do, and that's why I think it's important to video your training sessions, write stuff down when it works, because then you may lose it over time, right? So now I'm able to look back and be like, oh, shoot, I remember doing this, this, and that. And it's really, and I think doing that is really gonna help me. I was able to do all my back downs today at 507, like you probably saw. I don't know if I include the video or not. Yeah, like you guys probably saw it, and so that's a pretty big win for me, right? Being able to do my back downs after doing, I did 540 last warm up when I typically wouldn't do like a last warm up like that. I'd normally go 4 reps, 5 reps. I'd normally take a huge jump, right? Just because of injury, I'm not sure how much my leg normally has to give. And so yeah, man, I'm pretty happy. I'm a little bit tired, I took a nap. Yeah, we played the 2K or whatever we were playing, or NCAA 25. I took a nap. Right now I'm just doing some schoolwork on here. I think what we're gonna do later though is I think we're gonna go to McDonald's and quick 20 cheeseburgers for 20,000 followers on Instagram, because at the time I'm recording this video, I literally just hit it like 5 hours ago. I think I should include that in this video too. I don't know. So, but yeah, that was a huge accomplishment. I don't know why that took so long to freaking hit. I was being like so close, like for many days, and then magically I just like got there. So I don't know. I was at like 3 days at 19.9K, whatever is what it is. I didn't get to hit it at home, but parents were happy for me. It was nice talking to them too, telling them about that. But I also saw another motivational thing that I just wanted to share too. Mac Mula, if you see, I talk about him a decent amount, right? Huge inspiration to me. He posted today, he's like, October is the best time to get right with posting, content creation, being an internet personality, whatever you want to do, because the holiday season's coming up. Ads are paying more, right? There's more sponsorships out there. There's more ways to make money. There's more ways to make social media stuff a living. And when I saw that, I kind of got like that reburning passion. Now, my video from yesterday, I decided to name that day one of my 75 hard, which is basically my 75 hard is just 75 vlogs is what I'm going to try to do in a row. But it's not posting right now. I've literally been sitting here doing work and my phone's open running. The video is literally not posting. So this is going to get a little bit wonky. It should post probably within the next 30 minutes, I hope, knock on wood. But today's video will probably be up tomorrow around 11:30 because I'll start posting this right after that finishes. I don't know why it won't post, but these are just struggles that you have to deal with, content creation type stuff. But if you want to do it, man, I so recommend doing it. Chase your dreams. If you think, hey, I'm not strong enough to start YouTube, Instagram, whatever, bro, just go do it. You know what I mean? Like, what? Somebody's gonna mess with you because you're like not super strong and you have content? Like, doesn't matter. There's a bunch of ways to blow up, bunch of things that you should do, a bunch of reasons you should do it. And yeah, so just wanted to share that message. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna keep doing some work. I'm gonna wait for this video to post up, and I'm gonna catch up with you guys. I think when we're going to McDonald's. If we're not going to McDonald's, I'll update you guys on that too. So yeah, let's get it.
QC28 is for 20 cheeseburgers.
Oh my God! My fault.
Yeah, I'm dialed.
Caught me off guard.
Alright guys, so I'm sorry that this is going to be pretty dark and not very loud, but as you saw, we did the McDonald's challenge. I'll probably include a few clips. I haven't edited it yet, I'm not sure, but like I said, I'm pretty happy with how the day actually went today. My video actually just got posted. It's like a couple minutes before midnight right now. I gotta get to bed so you get up and have a productive, successful day tomorrow. But I mean, I got my posts out. I hit 20,000 on Instagram. Thank you guys so much. I had a pretty good lift and we filmed some more content, so it'll be a double post tomorrow. Just keep an eye out for that. So double post coming tomorrow. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm not sure if I'll be able to start to post tonight. I believe it should be up around 11:30 a.m. tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, like super happy with the day. My productivity is definitely going up. This is 75 hard day 2. I decided to make yesterday day 1. But basically during the 75 hard, I'm just gonna be doing at least one video on YouTube a day. Yeah, I'll just explain this real quick. So get up for breakfast every single morning. Don't miss breakfast, a day of breakfast while I'm here. Record a vlog every single day for the full 75 days. Post on Instagram at least once a day for the full 75 days. And then I'm going to try to do 2 extra bonus YouTube videos a week while I'm doing all of this. So, I mean, it's pretty difficult. I believe that I could do it, right? Because I really am here to push my social media, to push my content, to get stronger, everything like that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try my best. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for the journey. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.